Hey, I'm Eddie the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartendertees.com, here to demonstrate how to make an Amaretto Sour. So you take your glass, add some ice. This is, just like it sounds like, Amaretto Sour, Amaretto Sweet and Sour. Ounce and a half of Amaretto. Amaretto is a low proof liquor. It's 28, this one's 28%, which means it's 56 proof, which is super low. 1, 2, 3, 4, so an ounce and a half of Amaretto. And actually, this was featured in the Godfather movie in 1972. That's pretty cool. Sweet and sour. The garnish is a cherry, as are many sour drinks. And the word amaretto comes from the Italian word amaro, which means bitter. But this isn't bitter. This is actually kind of sweet. Let's go ahead and taste it. Yeah, that's delicious. Not very strong though. Okay, there you go. Amaretto Sour. Again, I'm Eddie the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartendertees.com. If you like apparel like what I'm wearing, head over to bartendertees.com. We carry a full line of t-shirts, tank tops, hats, sweatshirts, and hoodies, all bartender themed. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.